Now, from your trusted team of meteorologists at Panhandle Weather, this is your morning forecast update.
Well, it's shaping up to be a toasty Tuesday across northwest Florida. You're going to see temperatures today. Well, this morning we're in the 70s, but we'll quickly warm up into the 80s, and some of us could even touch 90 degrees as we make our way into the afternoon hours. Rain chances today pretty slim, especially compared to the past couple of days where a good many of us at least saw some rainfall. Temperatures this morning, as we said, into the 70s, then warm up into the mid to upper 80s. A few inland areas could hit 90, just depends on the amount of sunshine. So you're seeing a little bit of cloud cover out there this morning, but notice how it kind of thins out. We get into the mostly sunny skies by the end of the day. Just a nice quiet Tuesday across our region. But as I mentioned, it's going to be on the hot side for sure. Rainfall amounts, I mean, if you saw an isolated shower, you're talking about just a couple hundredths of an inch of rainfall. We're not expecting anything significant across our area. Winds are going to be a little bit lighter today. We'll be more into that 5 to 10 mile an hour range. So nowhere near as windy as what it's been. But again, it's going to be hot. The reason why, we got this big ridge of high pressure across the southeastern United States, trough of low pressure to the north and west. Eventually what will happen, this trough will swing through and replace the ridge, and we get some cooler weather for the weekend. But until that time, that ridge kind of holds firm, and we stay toasty the next few days. As I mentioned, some of those temperatures could flirt with 90 degrees today and tomorrow. 88, 89, maybe 90 degrees in Weewa. Low temperatures tonight dropping into the 60s and 70s, mainly 70s across our area. Out over across the tropical Atlantic, we're watching what could become Jerry out there. Although you look, it's going to recurve like the others, although it could get close enough to be interesting for the Windward and Leeward Islands. For us, rain chances stay very, very low. Best chance of rainfall coming in Thursday. That's as that front comes through, but again, 20%. The general thinking is don't expect to see much rainfall over the next 7 days. Front comes through, cooler air on the back side of it, and that's going to give us some pretty nice weather for the weekend. You'll see that. Look at our dew point temperatures dropping off into the 50s and 60s as we make way into the weekend ahead. There's very comfortable air across northwest Florida. So your forecast for today, 80s the next few days, and we'll stay into the 80s over the weekend, but it'll be low 80s, lows into the 60s. Look at this forecast for my inland friends up in Chipley, Bonifay, Defuniak Springs, Mariana, Graceville. You're going to see high temperatures maybe into the upper 70s, but the bigger story will be those low temperatures in the 50s.